Today we will study uniform circular motion. When a body or object moves along a circular path, then its direction of motion or direction of speed keeps changing continuously. In this figure we can see that the speed in this circular path is same, but its direction of movement is changing continuously. That means its velocity is changing continuously. So, since the velocity changes due to continuous change in direction, therefore the motion along a circular path is said to be accelerated. When a body moves in a circular path with uniform speed or constant speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Though the circular motion is accelerated, the motion in a circular path or in a circle with constant speed is an example of accelerated motion. A force is needed to produce circular motion, and the force which is needed to make an object travel in a circular path is called centripetal force. So now we have to calculate the speed of a body in uniform circular motion. When a body takes one round of a circular path, then it travels a distance equal to its circumference, which is given by 2 pi r. Where r is the radius of the circular path, the speed of a body moving along a circular path is given by the formula v is equal to 2 pi r by t, where v is equal to the speed, pi is equal to 22 by 7, which is a constant, r is equal to the radius of circular path, t is equal to the time taken for one round of circular path. Now let us discuss some examples of uniform circular motion. First is artificial satellites move in uniform circular motion around the earth. The motion of a satellite around the earth is accelerated. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. The moon moves in uniform circular motion around the earth. The earth moves around the sun in uniform circular motion. So the motion of earth around the sun is accelerated. It is the gravitational force of the sun which keeps the earth moving in a circular orbit around it. An athlete or cyclist moving on a circular track with a constant speed exhibits uniform circular motion. This motion is accelerated because of a continuous change in direction of motion. The tip of a second hand of a watch exhibits uniform circular motion on the circular dial of the watch. So uniform linear motion is not accelerated, but uniform circular motion is accelerated.